So this is inside the big church building. All the way down the end you got the statue. Beautiful historical old building. Look at the lovely ceiling. Hundreds of years old. Are you going to climb up?
Yes.
Yeah, come on, go and climb up. You might as well. You don't know when you're going to be here again, you might as well do it.
Yeah.
Okay. So the young ones are going to go climb the tower. Going to climb up there. Oh yeah, to the bell tower. Hundreds of years old, I don't know how old it is. Look at this beautiful old building. Hey?